If I wanted to convert fractions into decimals, I don't necessarily need to use any particular calculation to solve the conversions. I should be able to see patterns. There are some of them that I should be able to do in my head if I really need to think about it. So 1/10 is 0.1, 1/100th is 0.01. Now, the way I try to visualize it is if I consider the whole one as potentially being 100, then I can use that to help answer the rest. So 1/2 is 0.5 because 50 is half of 100, so half of 1 must be 0.5. It also means that I divide 100 by 2 to get that fraction. So 1/4, I might think about dividing 1 by 4, and in that case I would get 0.25. 1/5 is 0.2, the equivalent of 2/10, and so on. One of the only standouts is 1/8 is 0.125. It's important to remember this one especially because it's the only real fraction we have to look at that goes into 3 decimal places. It will make sense a little bit more when we look at percentages as well, but 1/8 is 0.125 because 1/8 is half of 1/4, and if 1/4 is 0.25, or what we would call 25 out of 100, half of that must be 12.5 or 12.5 out of 100. So dividing by 100, we go down to 0.125 and 0.25.